Number 1. Novotel Visakhapatnam Varun Beach. As the name suggests, Novotel, the Gateway Hotel Beach Road, Visakhapatnam, Varun Beach, is surrounded by the Ramakrishna Beach and is located at a distance of 2.4 kilometers from the Visakha Museum. So if you are in search of the best hotels in Vizag near beach, this can be a great option. The beauty of its surroundings is ravished by the Bay of Bengal, which is another reason why it captivates the visitors who can engross themselves with a calm view of the sea. Enjoy your stay at the sea-facing rooms equipped with all the modern amenities including Wi-Fi, TV, minibars and more. Number 2. The Gateway Hotel Beach Road. Being one of the modern hotels in Visakhapatnam, the Gateway Hotel Beach Road is highly famous among the visitors for having its majestic view and of course, top-class facilities rendered to the guests. Whether it's leisure seekers or business travelers, the Gateway Hotel, one of the most frequently visited 5-star hotels in Visakhapatnam, welcomes everyone with pleasure. You can enjoy a lavishing stay with top-notch amenities, modern and spacious rooms and lots more. Number 3. 4 Points by Sheraton Visakhapatnam. Centrally located at Voltaire Road, 4 Points by Sheraton Visakhapatnam offers rooms with 32-inch flat-screen TVs and rain showers. It offers free parking, complimentary Wi-Fi to the guests, and ozonated outdoor pool with 24-hour concierge services. The hotel offers spacious rooms with comfort of premium bedding, an armchair and ample workspace. It comes with a tea and coffee maker and free daily newspaper. RK Beach and Submarine Museum are 2 kilometers while Vuda Park, Wipro are 1 kilometers away. Number 4. Welcome Hotel Devi Grand Bay. Welcome Hotel Devi Grand Bay, member ITC Hotels Group, offers accommodation in Visakhapatnam. The hotel has an outdoor swimming pool, sauna and fitness center. Free private parking is available on site. Every room at this hotel is air conditioned and comes with a flat screen TV with satellite channels. You will find a kettle in the room. All rooms are equipped with a private bathroom. For your comfort, you will find bathrobes, slippers and free toiletries. You will find a 24-hour front desk offering express check-in check-out services. Number 5. Green Park Visakhapatnam. Green Park is another hotel you will come across if searching for hotels in Vizag near beach. The hotel is invigorated by the Ramakrishna Beach, merely 1.6 km from this hotel, and attractions like Indira Gandhi Zoological Park. Whether you are on an adventurous trip or a family vacation, Green Park Visakhapatnam can be the right option for you. Families having kids at or under the age of 11 don't need to pay their charge to stay. Green Park Visakhapatnam has everything that makes your stay unforgettable, from the living room to 24-hour room service, free parking, breakfast, cafe, multi-cuisine buffet restaurants, etc. Number 6. Dolphin Hotel. As one of the top-notch hotels in Visakhapatnam near railway station, Dolphin Hotel can be accessed by the visitors smoothly and therefore enjoys its proximity to restaurants, cinemas, shops, etc. Guests can enjoy the lavishness of the 4-star facilities besides a variety of dishes from Indian and continental cuisines. Guests can enjoy evening entertainment like live music, comedy shows, dance performances, etc. Enjoy world-class hospitality with Dolphin Hotel and feel the difference. Number 7. The Park Hotel. Sprawled over 6 acres of land, the park is surrounded by several popular attractions that include Visakha Museum and Gandhi Zoological Park. As one of the popular 5-star hotels in Vizag, it is committed to render top-notch hospitality to all its guests along with top-rated facilities including safes, Wi-Fi, TVs, 24/7 room service and more. Guests enjoy delicious food from the 4 restaurants to make their choice of dining and to ensure the selection of recipes in accordance with their taste buds. The Park Hotel lets the guests feel more energetic and relaxed by engaging themselves with volleyball, jogging and tennis. Number 8. Fairfield by Marriott Visakhapatnam. Fairfield by Marriott, located in Visakhapatnam port area, is a popular choice for travelers. From here, guests can make the most of all the lively city has to offer. With its convenient location, the property offers easy access to the city's must-see destinations. The facilities and services provided by Fairfield by Marriott ensure a pleasant stay for guests. Number 9. Hotel Daspala. Hotel Daspala is located in proximity to the Visakhapatnam railway station, barely 2 kilometers away. The hotel lets guests feel complete elegance with cozy and comfortable rooms, upgraded with modern amenities like Wi-Fi, TVs, king-size beds and more. Featuring a highly decorated banquet hall and world-class restaurant, you can find plenty of amusement and facilities being a traveler. Number 10. Hotel Rockdale Clarks Inn Suites. Located in a business hub, Hotel Rockdale Clark's Inn is near the Visakhapatnam railway station as well as Ramakrishna Beach. The hotel provides its guests world-class hospitality experience, aiming to make their stay memorable. The hotel also focuses on rendering luxury services while ensuring quality for all its guests. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.